Noise pollution is an often overlooked challenge for homeowners in Knoxville. Whether it's the steady hum of traffic, neighborhood activity, or seasonal storms, unwanted sound can disrupt comfort and peace inside your home. One of the most effective ways to reduce this noise, without major renovations, is by upgrading to vinyl windows. These modern window solutions are designed not just for energy efficiency and durability, but also for significantly improving indoor quiet. For many Knoxville homeowners, the difference becomes noticeable almost immediately after installation. Vinyl windows are built with multi-chambered frames and insulated glass units that act as barriers against outside sound. Unlike older single-pane or poorly sealed windows, vinyl options minimize the gaps and weak points where noise typically enters. This means fewer disturbances from passing cars, barking dogs, or early morning lawn equipment. A key feature that contributes to noise reduction is double or triple pane glass. These panes are separated by air or gas-filled spaces that absorb and dampen sound vibrations. The result is a quieter indoor environment where conversations, sleep, and relaxation are no longer interrupted by what's happening outside. For families living near busy roads or in more active neighborhoods of Knoxville, this can be a game changer. Another advantage of vinyl windows is their tight sealing capability. Over time, traditional window materials like wood can warp or crack due to humidity and temperature changes, both common in Tennessee's climate. These imperfections create small openings that allow sound to seep in. Vinyl, on the other hand, resists warping and maintains a consistent seal over the years. This ensures that the noise reduction benefits remain effective long after installation. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about sound. A quieter home contributes to reduced stress levels and improved overall well-being. Imagine enjoying a peaceful evening without hearing traffic in the background, or getting uninterrupted sleep even during a busy weekend. Vinyl windows help create that calm, controlled indoor atmosphere that many homeowners are looking for. In addition to reducing noise, vinyl windows also enhance privacy. By limiting how much sound travels in and out of your home, they help keep conversations inside and external noise outside. This added layer of privacy is especially valuable in densely populated areas or homes located close to neighbors. Knoxville's seasonal weather can also contribute to noise, particularly during heavy rain or thunderstorms. Vinyl windows with insulated glass can soften the intensity of these sounds, making storms feel less intrusive. Instead of loud rattling or sharp impacts from rain hitting older window panes, homeowners can experience a more muted and manageable level of sound. Beyond performance, vinyl windows offer a practical and cost-effective solution. They require minimal maintenance, are resistant to moisture and pests, and come in a variety of styles to match different home designs. This means homeowners don't have to sacrifice aesthetics to gain the benefits of noise reduction. Whether you prefer a classic look or something more modern, vinyl windows can complement your home while improving its functionality. For homeowners considering upgrades, it's important to think long-term. Investing in vinyl windows isn't just about immediate comfort, it's about creating a more peaceful living space for years to come. Reduced noise, combined with energy efficiency and durability, adds real value to your home. In a city like Knoxville, where neighborhoods can range from quiet suburbs to lively urban areas, having control over your indoor environment is essential. Vinyl windows provide that control by acting as a reliable barrier against unwanted sound. The result is a home that feels more serene, private, and comfortable, no matter what's happening outside. Choosing vinyl windows is ultimately about improving your quality of life. With their ability to reduce noise and enhance everyday comfort, they offer a simple yet powerful upgrade that homeowners can truly appreciate.